Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a patent application. First, you need to confirm your invention is eligible for patent protection. This involves checking if it's novel, useful, and non-obvious. Next, perform a comprehensive prior art search to discover existing patents or publications similar to your idea. This crucial step helps you refine your invention and avoid wasted effort. Finally, decide whether a provisional or non-provisional application best suits your immediate needs. Once you've confirmed eligibility, the next step is preparing your application documents. Begin by creating clear, detailed drawings that visually represent your invention from multiple angles. Then, write a thorough specification, explaining how your invention works, its components, and its benefits. This section must enable someone skilled in the art to replicate your invention. Finally, craft precise claims that legally define the boundaries of your patent. Hey everyone, quick pause. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, after all that hard work on your patent, you'll need easy meals. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description for the link and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After preparing your documents, it's time to file your application with the Patent Office and pay the necessary fees. Be prepared for the examination process, where an examiner will review your application against prior art. You'll likely receive office actions, which are communications from the examiner requiring responses or amendments. Responding thoroughly and on time is critical. Throughout this complex process, a patent attorney can provide invaluable expertise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.